guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today will be a very exciting video. I am going to be teaching you guys how to do the Kolors dance with a K. And it's on TikTok and it's a trend, so I just decided that I could teach you guys how to do it. So I'm super excited. I'm gonna roll a clip of me doing the dance. So you get an idea of basically what it looks like and with the music and stuff. And by the way, the TikTok that I'm going to show is a TikTok that I created on my mom's account, because my account, it's not public, it's just private, so only me and my friends can view it. So yeah, it's going to be on my mom's account, but hers is private too, so you won't be able to see it. But I will only be sharing my TikToks, the ones on my account and the ones on my mom's account, on my YouTube channel. So yeah, I'm gonna roll the clip in 3, 2, 1.
Rainbow tree, plus I got this brand in me. Curly yellow dancing on me, say she smell the green on me. She straight from California, freaky, yeah, she wanna be. Tell me she like boys and girls, oh well, that's okay for me.
Okay, you guys, so now that you guys have seen the clip, and now that you guys have gotten an idea of what the dance is and what it looks like, and all the steps, I'm going to be teaching you how to do it. Let's go. Okay, let's start. All right, ready? All right, you guys, as you can see, the video is mirrored. So, for example, if I do something with this hand, you got to do something with this hand as well. Okay, let's just get started. Ready? So the first move that you're going to want to do is take your left hand and you want to go and put it in a fist, and you want to go bam. Then you're going to take your other hand and go bam. Okay, so it goes 1, 2. And you can add a bit of a bounce. So 1, 2. Then you're going to want to sway it from the left to the right 4 times. So 1, 2, and 3, 4. So it's just 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Then from here, you're going to want to take your right hand and do like a little look. So you look that way and you can do a little just like that. Okay, you could go like woo, or okay, I just do that. Ready? From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, look. That's it. So now after look, you're gonna want to go wait, and then so from wait you want to go whoa, roll, and clap. Okay, let's try it from look. Ready? Look and wait, whoa, roll, and clap. There we go. All right, let's try from the top. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, and left, right, look, wait, whoa, roll, clap. Perfect. All right. Now let's go back a little bit, go a bit slower, okay? So after roll, clap, so here, let's go, let's do it from the top one more time, just so we have it nice and easy, okay? So ready? And 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and whoa, roll, clap. Perfect. Now the next move, you want to do a figure 8. So you're going to take your right hand and you're going to want to go, so put it here, and then you want to go side. So you want to like do a little cross and then put it up. Then you want to take both of your hands and you want to go like boom, boom. So you want stop, stop, just like that. So it's 1, 2, stop, stop, like that. So, right, it's like joom, joom. So that way it has that really cool effect. So like, just like that. And you're just doing that. It's really simple. Okay, let's do it from wait. Ready? Wait, whoa, roll, clap, half, figure 8, boom, boom. Just like that. Perfect, guys. All right, let's do it from the top. Ready? Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, left, right, look, wait, whoa, roll, clap, half, figure 8, boom, boom. Perfect, you guys are doing great. All right, so after 1 and 2, 2, you want to go 1 and 2. Okay, so you're just doing this motion. You're going 1 and 2. Okay, so just boom, boom, boom. Then you want to go, you're going to want to do a little wave. So you want to go 1 and 2, and then you want to go 3, 4, and then you want to, so after 3 and 4, you want to kind of curve out and do like a little body roll. So some people like to go 1, 2, and body roll, or some people like to do that or something. So yeah, anyway, that was a lot of moves. Let's go from look. Ready? Look, wait, whoa, roll it, clap, half, figure 8, boom, boom. Remember, and clap, boom, and 1 and 2, wave, wave, and body roll. Perfect. All right, there's only a few moves left. So after body roll, you want to go like do a little shrug. So I used to do it like this, but then I used to do it like this, but then I realized it's like, oh, it's like, hey, like what? So you want to go what, and then point. So 1, 2. So boom, boom. And then I like to do a little look and then the next step, but that's not in the original dance, so we're just going to skip that part, okay? So let's see. So let's go body roll and what, point, and then the next step, after point, you want to do another figure 8, but this time it's a full one, and then you want to go okay. And you can do like a little okay, or you could do like a little figure 8 okay, or just do okay after the figure 8. And then guess what? That's it. That's the whole thing. We're going to do it slowly from the top, like 1 or 2 more times, and then we can try it with the music. All right, ready? Slow from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, left, right, look, wait, whoa, roll it, clap, half, figure 8, boom, boom, clap and clap. Oh, almost lost track there. Clap and clap. 1, 2, roll it, ooh, body roll, and what, point, figure 8, and then okay, perfect, that's it. All right, you know what, let's try it. Let's practice one more time just so we have it spot on. Ready? Last one. Just do it a tiny bit faster. Then we'll do it with the music. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 1, 2. Bam, bam, whoo, and clap. Wow, half, figure 8, boom, boom, clap, clap. Woo, woo, roll, roll, body roll. What? Point, figure 8, and okay. Perfect, that's it. Good job, you guys. All right, now let's try it with the music. Ready? Let's try it with the music in a 3, and a 2, and a 1.
Rainbow tree, plus I got this brown in me. Really dancing on me, so she smell the green on me. She straight from California, freaky, yeah, she wanna be. Tell me she like boys and girls, oh well, that's okay for me.
Guys, so I just want to do an outro. You guys did so amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you learned how to do the dance really great. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload. But really, thank you guys so much for watching this video. It means the world to me, so thank you. Okay, so I will see you guys in the next video, and hopefully I will do another TikTok dance tutorial. Okay, bye!